A candle burning underwater? Let's blow your mind real quick. Grab a beaker, place a candle inside, and light it up. Now just wait. It's burning. And it's touching water. Yep, still going strong. Now stir the water a little, and there it dies instantly. Why? Because the flame needs oxygen, and stirring pushed water in, cutting off its oxygen supply. Ever seen a compass made from magnets? Let's make one. First, grab a piece of styrofoam and cut it into a square. Now grab two tiny magnets. Yes, the ones weaker than your excuses for skipping homework. Pour some water in a bowl. Not from your fish tank, please. Now slap those magnets on the styrofoam and gently place it on water. And now watch as it magically points west. Just like your dreams. Slightly off, but still floating. Don't believe it? Pull out your phone compass. If it doesn't match, either your phone's broken or your science game's as shaky as your GPA. Magnets naturally align with Earth's magnetic field, making this a simple homemade compass. See the power of air pressure. Unlike your gym progress, this actually pushes stuff forward. Grab a disposable cup and a balloon. Yeah, the kind left over from your last failed birthday party. Cut the balloon. Now cut out the bottom of the cup, like trimming out your excuses, and stretch the balloon over the open end of the cup. Boom! Your air pressure cannon is ready. Place another cup in front, pull the balloon back, let go, and watch it fly like your Wi-Fi signal when you need it most. Releasing the stretched balloon rapidly compresses and pushes air forward, transferring force to the cup via air pressure. What happens when you mix potassium permanganate and sugar? First, grab a flat surface and pour a spoonful of sugar on it. Yeah, your regular sweet villain. Now add a spoon of potassium permanganate on top. At first, nothing, just a purple pile of nothingness. But wait, let's add a spark. Bring in the fire and bam, it ignites like it's been waiting for drama. The reaction bursts into flames, and now you've got your very own fiery sugar rush. Sugar fuels the flame, permanganate lights the game. This is how reflection really works, using just mirrors and a laser. First, grab 3 small mirrors and arrange them in a triangle shape so they face each other just right. Now bring in a laser pointer and aim it at one mirror at the correct angle. Watch closely. Here is some fog as well. Fog is made up of tiny water droplets suspended in air. When light hits these droplets, it scatters in many directions. Fire-killing smoke? Sounds fake, but watch this. Grab a foil sheet, cut a piece, wrap matchsticks around a pencil to form a tube. Remove the pencil, and now we've got a smoke bomb. Place it in a flask. Light it up. Smoke fills the flask. Now take a burning stick and move it inside. Look how the smoke disappears. Yes, fire literally killed the smoke. Weird? Nah, it's science. The heat from the flame burns and breaks down the smoke particles, clearing the air in the flask. Why is this battery bubbling like it's cooking soup? Let's test it. Grab a flask and fill it with water. Now add a spoon of salt and give it a good mix. Bring in a battery. Place it sideways inside the flask and watch. Tiny bubbles start forming right on the terminals. Salt water conducts electricity and the battery causes electrolysis, splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen bubbles.